guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy weekend. I have a shipping sale going on right now through the weekend, so orders over $35 that are US orders get free shipping. Usually it's $60, but for the special through the weekend, it's going to be $35 on US orders. So take advantage of that. It's this weekend only. And I'm going to share a special card I received in the mail and the new greeting farm release. So we've got a new mermaid, and this one is called Julia, I think, and it's a pretty mermaid, and her tail looks really fun to color. We've got a Hello Spring die, a nice scripty font. We've got Flower Field, some pretty flowers, look like wildflowers. And we've got Happy Easter. We've got Sentiments, Spring is Here, Happy Easter, and some really cute images. The little kids are coloring up eggs. One's got an Easter peep, and that's another Easter peep. And that one's got a bunny, really cute. And then I got a card from Tracy Schultz. She's on the Not Too Shabby design team, and she just reached 500 subscribers. So congratulations, Tracy. She is going to be having a big giveaway for her 500. So head on over to her channel and subscribe. You don't want to miss her giveaway. And her Not Too Shabby design team projects. She sent me this card that she created with my free digital download digi, which is called Coffee is My Valentine. And you can see you can size the image to any size you want. You can see I sized it to fit 9 on a sheet. And Diane from Diety's Crafty Corner just did a card, and she made her little cups a lot smaller. And she did a couple cards, but the one I really love was the rainbow card, where she did I forgot how many she did on the card, but she had it going this way, and then she colored up the mugs rainbow colors. So I thought that was so cute. So if you want to see that card, you can head on over to Diane's channel. And what Tracy did was she used that mermaid sequence. And isn't that cool? You can flip the sequence over to reveal a different color. I think it's just so fun. That is so fun. And it's just fun to play with. So thanks, Tracy, for sending that to me. It's really a fun idea. And this one here, I gotta fix that little guy. I gotta have them all facing the right way. There we go. So super fun. And here's the other card that I made just recently with that stamp in my previous video. So thanks guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Take care, guys.